Okay, there's the building, assuming you can hear me over everything. I'll zoom in a little bit. There is the top. The pub is back there. You can't really see it, but you'll have to tell me whether you think it's a good likeness. Okay, she is finished. That is the Beerhive Pub on the bottom, and you'll see in one of my next videos, but I found my red door and I didn't have to spend $4 for it. But that is a 4-story mini fig scale build of a real building in Salt Lake. Let me break it down for you. Okay, there it is, all taken apart. Let's go through it one by one, even though if you followed along, you've seen them all. Here is the pub on the bottom. It's got a bathroom in there. I know you can't see it because of the lighting and my head in the light. There's the bar. It's got a little thing, I don't remember if I showed it. The little part comes up so they can walk through there. It's got a dartboard that I actually need to change out those translucent bricks. Haven't got around to it yet though. Here is like an office area. You've got a little couch, seating area, reception desk. Yes, I never finished my planter over there, but that's okay. Then we've got our main living area with the spiral staircase, grand piano, table, and gourmet kitchen with a little retro fridge. And then we have our sleeping area with the bed. And of course, I'm not going to be able to get around. The armoire, the bathroom, little painting of a tree or something like that, and then there is the roof. You can kind of get a good sense of that top piece, how I had to do that in order to blend the roof right there, and I'll kind of put this back together so you can see how they blend together. And so you've got your little arch there. I think the lighting's better if I turn it that way, and then those kind of go seamless together. In the real building, as you can see, and I'll show a side-by-side picture of it, this should have been flush all the way up, so I don't think my bay window actually stuck out as far as on the real building. But there was the final piece. Did kind of a little side piece to hold it up so it wasn't just too flimsy. But there you have it. There is my, I guess this would technically be my third MOC and my first modular build. I hope you enjoyed it. It is definitely a different experience building a modular because it takes a lot more bricks than building a skeleton. And then I'll show you how I'm going to incorporate this into my other builds and why I have this extra base plate here. See you next time.